So after you create a list in Microsoft ToDo and you want to import a list that has already been created, all you'll need to do is go into Microsoft Outlook, bring up your tasks, go File, Open Export, Import and Export, import from another program or file, hit Next. Once that's loaded up, go comma separated values, next, browse for that file that you want to import, which for me is the civil dispute resolution. I have two here. I have the prescribed I want to import first. I'm not going to allow any duplicates. Next, civil dispute resolution is the list I want to put it onto. Next, if you haven't already done this, you may need to basically map the fields. Make sure that the subject is there. You can basically hit next just to confirm that that is across there. Everything else is basically going to be the same. You don't need to change anything else. If you can't access this, you can press the tick box and just hit finish and it will import. See, these are all things that need to have already been done, so that's why they're in red. And they will not necessarily show up directly here until you actually hit sync. Again, because of how quickly you may do it, it might not import everything straight away. You may need to sync once more in a few minutes or seconds, or just close it and open it again later, and everything will be across. Then you have your due date there, the hashtags, any information about it, and you can add anything, change anything, add it to your day, do whatever you need to, and your notes are there. So for me, I've added sections or links to what I want to basically have. That's it.